Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Silly Stuff and Things. Today I am going to tell you about some of my favorite kitchen items. You guys always ask me, what is that? Where'd you get that? So I'm going to talk to you about it. And I want you to drop down in the comments what your favorite item is. Let me know if any of these interest you. Alrighty guys, so make sure you hang around because I'm going to save the best thing for last. You guys always ask about it, but let's get started. Don't forget, if you want to add these to your Christmas list, everything's going to be linked right below to make it super easy for you. So first up, we've got our onion goggles. I actually received these from one of you guys, and I'm telling you, I use them every single time I cut onions. They're not necessarily cute. We're not going for a fashion statement, but they work. And that's what's most important. So onion goggles for the win. All right, guys, next up we have this kitchen utensil stand. So I'm gonna be honest with you. I bought this because of the color. This is like my accent color in my kitchen, but I'm telling you, I love the items that are on here, and you guys are always asking about what is on your countertop. Obviously, other than being cute, we need it to be functional. They are silicone, so nothing will stick to it, and they're not gonna melt. So we like that. Amazon, your best friend, and you're going to love all of these little items. Isn't that fun? So I have those utensils, but I'm gonna tell you, these little tongs are like my number one thing that I use. My dad actually got me hooked on tongs. You can use them for so many things, but they have to be the right size. So I think this is like 12 inches, and they are my favorite. They have the little end on the bottom, so you could just snap it, and look at that. How cool is that? So I have lots and lots of tongs. They are also silicone, so they're perfect for your hot pots. Next item up are kitchen scissors. I love these KitchenAid. You just pull the cap off, and I like to open packages with them, maybe cut ribs, and they're dishwasher safe, so it makes it perfect. We've got knives. Okay, fun fact, I have knives sitting on my counter. I don't use them. They're just for show. It just makes it look good. These are my favorite knives. J.A. Hinkle. I love them. I always get new knives for Christmas. Hint, hint, cameraman. This is a 5-inch, right? Yes. Santoku. I love cutting all my vegetables with this. And then I also have my chef's knife, and this is an 8-inch. So guys, I'm telling you, a knife is so important. I'm not a serrated knife kind of fan, but you have to figure out what's gonna work for you. I like the handle on these, and I don't know, it's just what I like. My dad is a chef, and so he recommended this brand, and I love it. A food processor is a must-have in my kitchen, and I love this Cuisinart. My dad bought this for me. It's super easy to use on and off. I do have some issues sometimes getting the lid off and this, but that's because I'm not mechanically inclined. It has nothing to do with the model. So you just take this, you spin it off, you've got your blades. It does come with other blades, and then you twist like that, and that comes off. Super easy to clean, and this is what I make my salsa with. It's perfect for the holidays to make casseroles, so I'm telling you, you need this in your life. You ready? I don't even know if you're ready for this. No, seriously, number one question, where did you get your salt and pepper holder? Guys, it's so awesome, isn't it? It will open, you have the salt and pepper, super easy to load it up. And if you want to keep it on your counter, it's nice, it's appealing to the eye. I can't because I have Abigail, but link down below, it's Paula Deen's salt and pepper little bowl. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing some of my favorite items in the kitchen. I want to know what your favorite items are, and I want to know what you're putting on that Christmas list, or maybe birthday, Mother's Day, whatever holiday you have coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.